Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Instagram's broadcast channels allow creators to share updates with followers in one-way communication format. So here's how to set up your own broadcast channel. You just have to follow these few simple steps. The first step is to open the Instagram app. Now if you don't have the app, you can always go to Google Play Store or App Store if you have an iPhone and search for Instagram and install it. As you can see, I already installed it, so I'm just gonna click open. Now after you open, if you haven't already logged into your account, just use your account credentials. Now once logged in, go to your profile by clicking on your profile icon next to the right bottom right here. After that, tap on the plus icon in the top right corner and select broadcast channel right here. Let's see, you can choose live, posts, or anything. Gonna say live. Now this, if you want to create a live, we're just gonna click on story. Seems like the broadcast channel isn't available for this account. Now if it's available in your account, just choose broadcast channels from the options. After that, enter a name for your channel and add a brief description. And after that, adjust the privacy settings to decide who can join, for example followers, or select subscribers. You're gonna see all these options once you see the broadcast channel. Now I'm having difficulties because I didn't find this option, but you'll be able to do this procedure. After that, create a channel to finish the setup. And once created, share updates and media directly with your audience via the channel. You can use broadcast channels to share exclusive updates, announcements, or behind the scenes content with your followers. And promote your channels through stories or posts to encourage followers to join. Broadcast channels are an excellent tool to keep your followers updated by creating engaging and exclusive content. You can strengthen your connections with your audience. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.